What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is the fastest way to get arrested at 18. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
A girl gets into an argument with her boyfriend and angrily drives her car into nearby trees. She is now inside of her boyfriend's apartment building, causing problems.
Okay, but let him say something because I'm only here because of him. Oh, I didn't do nothing to you. You want to be mad over me over some little shit.
All right, we need you to leave now or you're going to get arrested. We can get you a ride, call a cab for you, but here's the deal. You got to get off the property.
No, because I want to talk to him.
Yes, if you don't leave, is going to jail worth it to you? Yes or no? Because if it is, we'll take you to jail.
I want to talk to him.
You can't talk to him here. You're banned from the pre-ban. Does she have any stuff in your apartment?
Yes, I do. I have plenty of stuff.
Can you get her a jacket or something?
Are you going to lie to him again, too? Are you?
Hey.
We're trying to help you, and you're
Don't
going to...
help me for shit.
You're going to end
Don't
up...
help me for shit. Just go.
Yeah. Listen. She going crazy, man. I gotta salute my brother, man. Because, listen, a lot of times ladies only go crazy like this if you beating up them walls right, man. I'm telling you, listen, I gotta keep it real. If you not, you know what I'm saying, knocking them ribs loose, man, they gonna forget about you, man. They just gonna be, yeah, all right. But if you really got them, you got them, man. They gonna crash out every time. So salute to my brother, man. He doing something right, man. But yeah, she got to get a grip on herself. But my brother doing his thing, man, because she ready to crash out.
Why y'all out?
You need to relax because he just...
I don't care.
We're not going in the apartment. You're banned from the property.
I have my stuff
You need to
in
leave
there.
or you're going to go...
You don't get no shit about me.
You get her jacket so we can get her out of here.
I just wanted to talk. I have my purse in there, everything.
Back up. He's gonna get
No,
your stuff.
I don't.
You're going to go to jail here in about 5 seconds.
I know, because after they leave, they gonna leave. I don't believe you. You don't care about me. You're not even trying to help me.
Get her jacket.
I just want my purse, my jacket.
He's gonna grab your stuff.
I don't
okay?
believe. I just want my stuff.
No, we need you to call a ride, or we need you to leave, or you're going to go to jail.
I want my
Back up.
please,
You're not going in your
because
apartment.
I can't.
Hey, I understand that you're upset, but if you don't cooperate with us and let us walk you out, you're gonna go to jail.
We're not going anywhere till you leave. Is it worth it to you? You can talk to him tomorrow, but we need you to leave now.
Even no, it's not like he's gonna do that shit. He don't get no no.
All right.
Talk to me. I'll talk to you.
What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Hey.
Stop. You're going to go to jail. Close the door.
Where? No, you didn't have to close the door on him, sir, because that's not your door. No, I'll wait, because he said he would talk to me, right?
No, he wouldn't.
You've been banned.
Because no, you'll ask him. He will say he will talk. No.
You've been banned from
No,
the property, and if you don't leave, you will be arrested for criminal trespass.
He said he would talk to me.
Please don't do this to yourself.
He won't talk to me. I don't care. I will get arrested for...
The ex-boyfriend opens the door again.
He's banned her from the property, so she's committing the offense of criminal trespass right now. We're trying to keep her from going to jail. I don't want to take her to jail. My patience is kind of wearing thin because we've given her numerous warnings to leave. She was just banned from the property 5 minutes ago by this gentleman who has the authority to do that.
And all you're trying to do is get rid of me.
Why did I open my door? Calm down.
Will you meet up with her tomorrow and talk to her tomorrow?
I don't believe that. I want it tonight. No. You finna say that shit and never see me tomorrow. Let me be the victim. Let me be the crazy one.
Are you gonna go?
I don't care. No, because you thought I closed on me and I have everything I have in there. And if you close the door, no.
You want her arrested? Yes. All right. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
No, stop. Because I'll leave.
Nope, it's too late now.
I already gave you the chance.
Stand up.
Please.
Stand up. Don't resist arrest.
I'll leave.
Okay.
It's always I'll leave. Once the cops are already pushed to the point to you getting arrested, now you want to leave. But all the chances that they gave you prior to that, you wanted to hoot and holler and do whatever you wanted to do. Sweetie, it doesn't work like that.
No, it's too late for that. It's too late for that. You had more than enough opportunity.
Stop. I'll leave.
Put your hand behind your back.
My wrist does hurt.
Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
Stop.
Congratulations.
I'll leave. Please let me go, Dad. No.
You're going to catch another charge if you don't put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. You're going to catch another charge. Stand up.
I want to talk to him.
No, stop that.
And I'm willing to go. Stop. No. What about my car? Stop.
Stop!
I don't want to stop. I don't want
You're under arrest.
Stop. I don't
You're
want
under arrest. Stop.
I will leave. But just
Stop. Get up now. You're under arrest.
No.
Okay, now we're going to walk to the car. Stop trying to get out of the handcuffs. Now you're going to go to jail.
No, please.
You're under arrest for criminal trespass and
No,
resisting.
I wasn't resisting. I was just
Yeah,
trying to
you were
talk to
resisting.
him.
No.
Please, man,
Relax.
please. I'm only 19 and I've never
Listen.
been. No,
Listen.
please help me. Just call my dad. Just call my dad.
I gave you enough tries. You did not listen. It's too late for that.
Just call my dad. I have 2 jobs. I work with kids, and yes, I'm upset.
I understand, but
Just please.
we're way past that now,
Stop.
okay? We gave you enough tries.
Stop,
No.
because that arm hurts.
You're under arrest and you're
I
pulling a
can't
brake.
feel if you would look. I have a
You're pulling-
scar, and
Why
I
don't you
can't.
sit down? Bad, okay?
I just want to.
Sit down. We're going to loosen our grip, but we need you to
Please
calm down.
stop. Just call my dad. Because I'm so upset. I'm only 19. I've never been pulled over by cops. I've never had this happen. I just want to talk to him. I don't know what else to do.
Well, you're
Please.
combative, and you just calm down. Take a deep breath. How about you take a deep breath?
Can you stop recording? Because I see your phone's pointed at me. Can officer, can you please sit? I see
Sit
his
down.
shit pointing at me, and he's obviously recording. I can see your bitch ass
Just
recording.
relax.
Bitch ass babe boy.
Just ignore him.
No, look at
Relax.
him. Look at him, officer.
He's not recording. Now,
I just want my dad. He's right there.
Well, it's too late now. You had every opportunity to leave, but you chose not to be cooperative and respect.
Because I just wanted to talk to him, and
Well, you can talk to him when you get out of jail tonight.
no, because
Yeah,
I
you're going to
didn't.
jail. I want you to know.
I just want to talk to him. Please,
Why don't
there's
you
no
just sit down?
reason.
Why don't you just sit down?
There's
Why?
no reason.
are you acting like
They're
this?
right there.
Relax.
No, because there's no reason. There's no reason for me to be here.
You're going to be in and out of jail in an hour.
I don't believe you. Stop, because there's no
Stop.
reason
Stop.
for me to. Stop.
Stop.
Relax.
You're making this weird.
Stop. I just want to talk to him.
Sit down.
I don't care.
Just relax.
No, because you're not relaxing me. I want to talk to him.
Stop. Stop.
Stop. I want to talk.
Stop. Or you're gonna be restrained.
You didn't hear me.
Why are you yelling at me?
You heard me, bitch. I said I want to talk
I'm
to
trying to
him.
control you. You're really a wild one.
I said I want to talk to him. Can I just talk to him before I go? I don't care if y'all take me
No.
to the police station anymore. I just want
No,
to.
well, you're gonna go. Stand up. Stand up.
1, 2,
No,
3.
please just call him, woman.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
No.
Hey, Greg, you want to give us a hand, bud?
Please, just want to
Stand up. Stand up.
Stop.
Stop.
Stand up.
Stop. Enough.
Okay, you're.
Hey, I want to talk to him.
Can you grab onto her? I'm gonna move a car up so we can get her transported to the station.
After moving up his squad car, the officer talks to Elena's parents, who are now both on scene.
So she got into an argument with him, and then she drove her car into the trees over there. We got her car out. We did an accident report based on her behavior, bad behavior. Security here instructed us to ban her from the property. We gave her numerous orders and requests to leave. She refused to comply, and if she injures one of the officers or something, it's going to become a felony. Okay?
You want me to grab their information?
Yeah. Could you also get security's info too?
Yeah.
Show them, thank you.
Please talk to me tomorrow, please. That's about it.
Come on.
Please.
Stop. Let's go. Put your leg in.
No.
If you kick me,
Stop, I don't want
If
to.
you
I'm
kick
just
me-
trying to stop you from
Relax.
pulling my leg.
Okay.
And you know that for a fact, so
okay.
you know I can't say I kicked you.
if you undo your leg, I won't have to pull it.
I don't care. I just want to talk to him so he can say you.
Listen, she still wants to talk to this guy. This is what I'm saying. This brother here, man, I don't know what he doing, brother. What he doing, man, he representing for all of us. All of us is, listen, you know what I'm saying? Listen. This ain't listen, he representing for all of us right here, man. He just straight punching ribs right in the dropping it in her, just crazy, just going crazy. Listen, he got her acting like this. This is insane. This is literally insane. He doing his thing, man. Salute to that brother, man. God damn, he must be really doing some Magic Mike type stuff up in there, man. Got her going crazy. But nah, you know, that's all fun and games and stuff like that. But clearly, she just got some real mental issues, man. She got some real mental issues, man. Listen, and ladies, don't come for me, man, because I know I got honestly, I got quite a few ladies that actually watch me, which I'm surprised at, you know what I'm saying? Because for a long time, it was just guys that watch me, you know what I'm saying? But there's quite a few ladies that watch me, you know what I'm saying? So don't be coming for me, man. But you know what I'm saying? You know how you treat a guy differently and you act differently with a guy who really putting in that work versus a guy who he ain't doing nothing. You done forgot about him an hour after you done, you know what I'm saying, you done got yours up. You know what I'm saying? After y'all done did y'all thing, you done forgot about him an hour later. You know what I'm saying? But a guy who really putting in that work, got y'all hooked. Y'all may not act like this, but he got you hooked, and he pop up in your mind from time to time. I'm just keeping it real.
Talk to me tomorrow, and he hasn't said that.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, obviously, because you don't give a shit. You're just trying to undo my leg.
Can you put your leg through the bar?
No.
There we go. We're doing okay. We're doing good. Watch your foot's coming out hot. I got it.
Elena, relax.
All right.
He said all this. He's a fucking... There's no
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. It's okay. Just have a seat.
It's not because I just want to
Just have a seat. We're fine. Have a seat. You're fine. We lost the sock. Hey guys, we're just gonna have a rescue come and they get the stranger and deal with the medical side of it. We're gonna have an ambulance come.
These are too tight. Take them off. Look. No.
We just keep her there. They're right here.
Now, this is why professionalism and empathy are necessities as a police officer. And when police respond to a domestic trespass,
Listen, I like my guy John, but this is what makes their channel so special. If you want to hear what my boy John got to say, go over to Midwest Safety and check out what my boy John got to say, man, because woo, this is something, boy.
he doesn't want to be with you, you're going to be just fine.
In the incident report, the officer noted that it became clear to him during the arrest and after speaking with Elena's parents that she was experiencing some sort of mental crisis, which is why an ambulance was requested to the scene. When they arrived, Elena was restrained on the cot and taken to a hospital for evaluation. She was charged with 2 counts of resisting, obstructing, and criminal trespass. Despite kicking an officer several times during the arrest, she was not charged with battery on an officer. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.